And hear why she do it now, true. You don't know, be a girl always at the hotel, like Panama girls, them active. You see me, very active, and them, you know. So she would have feel some type of way. I mean, I sure I say nobody watch that, man.
Me start my life and I see bumbo clock 400 people. I mean, I used to them people. Me used to 1,000, 2,000 them things. I mean, I see much money for my life. Cartel, you need if you come off a life, then me I beg you, please.
Bang.
Life is like candle in the wind. So many of my friends them get ruined. Fame just play on ball. Some never listen till the cycle of life take a spin. You don't know, say, as I present for the big bad mighty Fame Edjahz YouTube channel. I'm as a subscribe, leave a comment and share.
You're active. Confused, broken heart, but even know if I start to make this a life hard, so see some dog we never real. You the wrong girl me heart. What a blood clot, no.
Blessings and honor, glory and power. You don't know if you may just happen a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers them. And all of my subscribe it, nothing at all, no change. The door is always open, so I know if you go do. On this show, we have the world boss, VYBZ KARTEL, went live on TikTok and a whole a vibe with the fans them. Ever since the entertainer release him to get TikTok arrest. And I guess I see the artist see the effect of TikTok in terms of networking. And over the majority of people there, and it would have come like the new plug in the social media world. Anyways, while teacher vibe with him fans them, the artist go chip out a rhyme but me know nah go sit well with the turf boss, busy signal. Teacher go mention the Gary topic. I don't know the history behind that. The last time a man style busy in a dance hall about Gary, the entertainer end up finding big song stay so.
One day for salt, Mr. Salt. Yeah, me know I'm real, but if I me just want to. Father God give me a talk, I make them fight with so hard. From my band is still a go on now.
Also alongside the update, the teacher went live on TikTok once more again. This time I went him touching on Jamaican style. As I said earlier, the entertainer nah get TikTok arrest. Even a couple popular TikTokers I tell the teacher to ease up the laugh for the gas. Because ever since him start go live, them TikTok world look away. The fans them stop locking and sending a gift them. And over VYBZ KARTEL live them they are send all of the gift them. And bear in mind up to now the entertainer and ask one. The people them just are send him gift just for the entertainment. Remember them man in a ramp to interact with him fans them about anything. And as so comes to reach to this. The artist and him fiance went live. Reason with the fans them pan oh see them get well jealous when she see the Panama female them embrace the teacher.
Active me no know if you feel. From Panama my little brother gone. Me no know if you feel.
Also alongside the update, we have bad artist Spenxshell once more again Lego one powerful meditation track. The whole platform most familiar with the artist by now and know him style. A strictly reality Spenxshell them got. Them they go Mission Impossible. And him focus more upon guiding the youths them and I show them some real mates. Now the new one here from the artist focus mainly upon the fallen soldier them. None for the real ones them drop out and left with some deep sorrow, some deep pain. And that's why the artist bring it to the music and express himself in a new official music video. The exact one I want to see a display on the screen now and then. It is entitled Deep Pain. So we're going to run through that one from Spenxshell. But first, the teacher went live in a Panama vibe with the fans them. Alongside him fiancé, Sidem. Now while him a big up some place, him gonna make a talk and with no busy now go like.
Me no say friend, me say family.
I owe my family.
Oh, Shatta Wally, that's my bro. Pa. St. Mary. Yeah, man. Nah, big no one more night from Gary. Big up Portmore City.
First thing first, big song from Busy Signal. And for those who don't pick up a play, we could give you a quick explanation. The last line there from the teacher has been a very controversial line from out of one of Busy hit song them. One more night when you can go look it up. The other song they did record Enough people did have it for say Busy ask Gary for give him one more night. But truth and in fact the artist said, baby, Busy clear the ear a couple of years ago and the fix. So people are run with Buckrick. Him straight from a DM band so that not even should have forward to a one's mind. Now right here, VYBZ KARTEL is just rhyming and bigging up the fans. Remember I'm lyrical, anything with them man there do lyrics are fee night. But JJ, teacher, you really wanna be that guy? After so much years, the Gary situation serious. Ding Dong go revive it cause a bag of animosity. Now the teacher talk it brawling pan him live. Anyways, on that very same live when them the Panama, Sidem did up in our feelings, and that's the fiancé of VYBZ KARTEL. The lady wanna see beside him. A bag of female fans are running into the artist and they get mama type away. So she did kinda sulky on the live. Now the entertainer is back in Jamaica, went live again and confront Sidem about her behavior brawling on the live. Believe, you know I miss that, but we'll save it at the last part cause it's kinda long.
Please, Kartel, me I beg you. Kartel, oh God, man, you need to give me a chance. Give me a chance to beg them, please. Because me start my life and me see bumbo cloth 400 people. And me not used to them people. Me used to 1,000, 2,000 them things. Me not sit much money for my life. Kartel, you need to come off a life, then me I beg you, please. Please, Kartel, please. Come off alive, them, my father. Me begging a slope. Please.
Yeah, we're living with some people. I just say we dying, they make me feel safe. Bring it anywhere, me go come in no feel safe. Promise it, but my go drop me cry real tears.
So that's recording artist Spenxshell new official music video entitled DPN, and it's an Active Music production. Big up Active Music them. No say a whole heap of it's them response for around here. Likewise, big up Prince Villa Records. And them response for the mix and master on the project. Remember, we not just hand out credit, so we give credit which party it do. And everybody name we call so far, put in the work for get the track at this. Don't feel like a shell alone. Anyway, speaking of shell, deep piece of track, just like how the artist title it. And me rate how me hear that one here from the art. We can actually hear the pain in a Spenxshell voice. We not hear the artist and hear the chorus, the clippings so we just play. The entertainer make you know say him live with some deep pain. And just the bourbon, the henny, the ganja make him feel sane. Meaning that them they hold him up make him not gone mad it. Because the pain itself is unbearable.
Yeah, we've been through some hard times. And I love but make we go start crying. But from them kill one now with them off start die. And I feel my family alone.
But telling already from earlier, deep piece of song. And the chorus not normal, Spenxshell set the atmosphere there. And the second half of the chorus that we just play. And I open all listen keenly to what Spenxshell and Yan say. The artist are show us saying been through some hard times. And don't feel like I love him, love a badness, or I love the gun, make him go start crime. Majority of times, I touch couple real ones that they're on the thing. So obviously them have to start die. Calm, smooth, catchy piece of chorus. And we have to give credit to the background singer we harmonize the end bar them. She do a brilliant job, the chorus well shot.
For them I ask you something. When I kill a nigga, we never do nothing. And that nigga was your brother or your little cousin. Him dream stop him life last.
But telling the artists are all meds in our people. Remember them say enough for question God. But Spenxshell did half the ask. Where him for do when a killer nigga we never do nothing. Worse if the same nigga with the killer kill are your brother or your little cousin. As you can hear Spenxshell now ask for your answer. A brawl in dirt settings. From the artist same dream stop him life last or him for make it go so. Who not supposed to know what time it is. Bad song Spenxshell, I can't go around that one here. And the visual fall directly in play and give you the same atmosphere we I get from the track. The entertainer truly in a deep pain. Definitely I recommend my people to go check out this one from Spenxshell. It just released on the artist's official music channel. Wanna know our style. A link is available on the platform. Do the right and don't make the right don't know. You know, big up the entertainer, one shell.
Me believe in a you know, but that's the me test you. But if I kill, I'm have a spot of
Me see she got rum and coke, you know. And I say,
Rum?
alright, rum and coke. No rum and coke. Vodka?
Yeah.
Yeah, got vodka and coke. And I say, alright.
And then you got me wine.
Then she, no, who got your wine?
Okay, I got me wine.
Oh, you, exactly. She got coke.
But you paid for it.
You saw woman love flip script. You saw woman love turn story. She drink the rum and coke. I mean, them say right. I don't know the rest of
Look
that.
at you. Oh my God, I love that face.
You can't sweet me up.
No, baby, there's no sweeting. You're not
So I
that
can't talk to the citizens.
Sorry, baby.
Yeah, because you try to sweeten up to cut the argument.
No, baby, I wasn't, but it was just your face looked so good. But yeah.
You know, I still I got talk. Remember when you need that telling you something, say your name. I still I got
Go
talk.
on, no, go. I'm waiting. I want to hear what you got to say. I just
I
want to
drink
say.
rum and coke. I say, alright, I don't know what's a drinker.
He told me not to.
Thank you. But no, but me, I watch her see me, and I tell her, what you say,
He
what I
was
do?
watching.
I watch her, you know. I hear why she do it now, true. You know, be a girl always at the hotel, me now like Panama girls, them active. You see me, very active, and them, you know. So she would have feel some type of way. I'm not sure I said nobody watch that, man.
No, but even so, this is what I was saying. Even if you were just the
Give me
head.
back the mic now. You're gonna call you the
Even
DJ.
if you were just
Give
the
me back the mic now.
Even if you were just
You
the
take
head,
it.
I would still be jealous.
Yeah, but I just wanna explain
And any
to
girl
the
that
people,
does
baby.
that says they never get jealous, they're lying. I'm just raw. I do get jealous over you, but it's not like I'm jealous of your fans because I'm glad you got fans.
That you're the fit, yeah.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
I'm glad you got fans. I'm glad you got the fans you've got because they're fun.
You stop sweet up me and stop sweet up my fans and just listen.
I'm gonna sweet up everybody.
Just listen. You're yesterday. What you say? You try to say something, mama, and say what?
No, to people that want to get in between us.
Why? Nobody can get in between. Just listen. You see it? You see she drink some. She sent for vodka. Alright, cool. You know, sometimes we want to unwind. Alright, fine. So she drink it.
I don't know what I was unwinding from.
Then I see she sent for what the next drink you see you send for? Then she say, yeah. She said she call room service. I say, yo, if you don't have any and coke, send something where the equivalent. And I said, no, this serious. She forward down, we keep a little go away party, so we'll leave Panama people. They in a couple girl and thing. I see she forward, we pop some champagne. I see she go up on champagne. Then I see she go up on, what way that texture? Tequila. I said, no, this serious. Then all of a sudden she said, turn on your life.
I was getting ready for what's it called? Because I've never done live, and I got the courage. I got what's it called? Dutch courage.
In Jamaica, courage or something will scratch you. You know, you have to be careful. You get brave.
Me get brave.
Yes.
I never get that brave before.
Yeah. I should jump on the live. I mean, no, Mr. Francis said to me,
but then it was the comments because it was fine, and then the comments dragged it one place.
no comments don't drag
And I was drunk, so I followed, and that's why I went wrong. 1, 2, I shouldn't have opened my mouth.
Jamaica people love dry out people. Remember me a Jamaican in our soul
No, but
work,
do you know what? When I came to the airport today, one of the girls was like, I'm gonna say hello to you first, Sidem, because of the video. But it was funny. She took it in a funny way, not in a serious way. Not everything has to be serious. Even if I am drunk and I say, or even if I am angry, it doesn't have to be serious.
Yeah, but why are you angry?
I don't know why I was
I got
angry.
50 cents set to Ja Rule. Why are you mad? There's nothing to be mad about. Everything good.
Everything good, man.
And I mean,
I even take pictures of you and your fans. What are you on? I even let you know when fans want to take pictures with you.
yeah, man, I like that style. Like, kiss me, baby. That's
So I'm not jealous of the fans. I'm glad he's got fans.
Yeah, me I say now, babe.
What are you trying to do?
More from here, I see some comments and I can't.
And I was trying to get close.
Hold on, turn it on, so. Yeah. Somebody said that is it. That mean when the girl them see me and you then have to ask what is it?
Because this is it.
Yeah.
That was a good one, right?
Not Liam. Why be jealous? When at the wedding? That question they draw out, people.
Yeah, that question, but I
That question they draw out.
Adi, do I
When at the
ever
wedding?
pressure you? Do I ever pressure you? I know you're going to marry me.
Too confident, kiss me, baby.
I know, there's no rush.
That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers who may stay until the end of the show. Really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
Living with some deep pain. I just say we dying, they make me feel safe. Bring it in,